Oh yeah, it's toasty.
Stays slushy for longer with the antimony in it. Interesting color. It's like a almost brassy, but not quite. It's almost like sun-bleached copper, if that were possible. Okay, that should do it. Okay, here's the coins. These are the ones that are mostly copper, but with about 4 or 5% zinc, and I've added about 5% antimony to there just to see what it'd look like. They did tarnish a little bit from handling, but that's probably not evident in the video. You see, as usual, the details come out pretty sharp on these. Actually, these are some of the better ones that I've made, just coincidentally. Interesting thing about adding the antimony is that, unlike when I tried to add aluminum to copper, or say tin to copper, I tried that as well before, but neither of those were on video. The antimony dissolved very fast into the copper when I added it to it, and it was molten. I did try to do the same thing for the aluminum and the tin, but the tin took forever to diffuse into the copper, and the aluminum took somehow even longer. And there was lots of aluminum oxide on top that was interfering with the diffusing in there, but the antimony had no trouble. It diffused into the copper very quickly, which I thought was interesting. Well, that's basically it.